what's going on? Eric Cortina here, Texas Barndominiums. So we are pouring concrete today. It is 2 a.m. in the morning and it's going to rain. So I checked the forecast. I think we have a 90% chance of rain today. We are pouring about 150 yards and I think we're gonna be okay. It appears that it's going to rain, but it's going to be over with pretty quick. What it is, it's a cold front pushing through, and my plan is we're going to start pouring at 5 a.m. The rain's supposed to show up, according to the radar, about 11 a.m. By then, we should have it poured out, at which point we can cover it up, let it rain, take the plastic back off, finish the slab, and then we're gonna be okay. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna go pick up Daniel. We're gonna go to the job site and show you the entire process. See you there. I don't know what to do with my hands. All right, so we're on the way to the job site. It is 3:30 a.m. and Daniel's with us now. And we're gonna get some diesel. Guess where? Buc-ee's. We're gonna get some diesel, some snacks, and we're gonna get to the job site. The pump scheduled to be there at 4:30 a.m. and mud is gonna be there at 5 a.m. So, like I said, the plan is to have this thing poured out before the rain gets here. Cover it up with plastic. Hopefully the rain will just cruise on by pretty quick. It's pretty windy outside, so I'm hoping that's gonna push those clouds real fast through. And then we get back and pull off the plastic, finish the slab, and we'll have a good day after that. So cross your fingers. That's the plan. So I'm checking the weather here, Daniel, and let me see. I'll show you here shortly. Come on, Matt. So this is where we're at right now. We're in Luling, Texas, at Buc-ee's. That's what's coming. Yeah. It's spring break. My daughter's with us today. And like I said, we had to get up at 1 a.m. and she doesn't look very awake right now. I won't put you. Psych. I had one job. Oh man. Leave me alone, Daniel. Turn that off.
Maybe run this early in the morning. I'm winded now.
Get to work. All right, so it's 5:07 a.m. right now. The pump is set up. Called the concrete company. Of course, they called me at 3:50 a.m. and they said, "Hey, are you ready to go?" I said, "I am ready. I need these trucks fast and furious because we need to get them poured before the rain gets here." He said, "I totally understand. I'm gonna send them to you." 5 o'clock rolls around. I called them up. Said, "Where's the trucks?" "Oh yeah, we're running about 30 minutes late." So, you guys saw last week's video about that concrete pour. Well, this one's kind of starting about the same way. This is a different company though. However, today we have rain coming, so it is very critical that we don't lose any time, and we're already going to lose 30 minutes. So, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully after that, they'll be able to send me all the trucks back to back, and then we can get this thing poured out, but we'll see. I guess we'll just keep you updated. All the guys are here. Again, just hurry up and wait. You watch. Let's make a note of how late the first truck shows up, and then we'll find out how much difference. Let's just say they show up 28 minutes late. When the rain gets here, we'll see how much difference those 28 minutes would have made. Hopefully none, but I can bet you dollars to donuts it's probably gonna be a big difference. I would have been like, dang it, if they had showed up 28 minutes or even 15 minutes earlier, we could have hit it just right. Like I said, I hope I'm wrong, and I hope it doesn't matter, but man, I did not get up at 1 a.m. in the morning so I can come here and sit and wait on trucks. That's all I'm saying. Not really. I'm going to say a lot more, but you know what I mean. All right, so the first truck just now showed up. It is 5:53 a.m. right now, so 53 minutes late. And that's just one truck. I'm hoping there's more behind it. They're telling me there's 9 trucks lined up. We have only seen one so far, so we'll see. Anyway, we're gonna get started pouring this one out, and we'll show you the rest of the pour. I hope the rain chances have went down. It was 90% for about 2 hours. Now it's down to 60% for 1 hour, from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So I'm still hoping we can get this thing completely poured out by then. And obviously that's gonna depend on the concrete company showing up. Anyway, let's go pour some concrete. Do you ever guys show up on time?
Usually.
One time. It was that one time, huh? Are you the
Long way over here.
I know. Well, I mean, they knew where it was.
Yeah.
You're the truck driver?
No, sir.
Oh, okay. Who are you?
I'm the supervisor.
Supervisor. Oh, so you're the guy to talk to about you guys being late an hour.
Yeah.
Oh man. We're trying to, and I told him, he called me at 4 a.m. It was like 3:50 this morning. He called me up and he said, hey, I'm gonna send you those trucks. I said, send them, because we're trying to beat the rain. I said, I'm trying to get it poured out by 10 a.m.
Yeah.
completely, so that if the rain gets here, I can cover it up. The rain goes by, peel the plastic off, and go to town.
Yeah.
Oh, I completely understand. I show up. Oh, we're gonna be 30 minutes late. Well, now we're an hour late. How many trucks you got coming?
I want to say 15, 13 or 14.
All right, so you're gonna just make one trip, hopefully?
Yeah. But some of them gonna probably have to make another.
Yeah. All right, well, that's okay, because if I can get all this poured out, hauling in. All right, well, we're gonna get to it.
I'm gonna call and tell them to send them back to back.
Oh yeah. All right. Thank you. All right. So let me give you a quick update. We have dumped out 60 yards so far. They were an hour late. However, when they showed up, all the trucks start showing up back to back, which is a very good thing. So we got 60 yards dumped out. We got another 80 to go, and it's going real smooth. It is 6:40 a.m. right now. And I figure in about another hour we'll have this entire main slab poured out, and we can start on the other one. So 10 a.m. is looking pretty good. The rain chances keep going down, which is also very good. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick update. They were late. However, once they showed up all at once. So that's a very good thing. So all is good so far. All right, so let me give you a quick update. It is 8:40 a.m. We have the entire main slab poured out, and we have all the beams filled in on the carports. We have a truck backing up to the pump right now, and another one driving in through the gate. So we have about 40 yards to go. Like I said, it's 8:40. The rain chances are down from 80 this morning down to 20%. So it's actually looking really good for us. So like I said, if those trucks, I got 2 more trucks coming, so we should be done pouring in about next hour or so, and which is going to be about 10 a.m. We're expecting rain, if anything, about 10:30 a.m. So we'll have it poured out, and we can cover it at that point. So yeah, it's going really, really good. The weather's perfect. It's about 70 degrees right now, but it's going to dip down to 60 once that front comes in, and it's windy. Typically wind is not good for concrete because it dries out the surface too much, but right now I'm okay with that wind, because one thing is I want this to dry as much as possible before the rain gets here, if it does. Plus that wind is going to push that front quickly through us, so if we do get some rain, it's going to be just a short period of time, at which point we can get back on the slab and finish it out and have a nice, good slab. So anyway, all is good. I'll give you another update after a while. I'm gonna go get these guys something to eat in the meantime. It's starting to rain. It is 9 a.m. right now. So Daniel was asking me about those lines that they put when they screed the grade, what we call the grade. They put a line right there. What they do is they screed it, and then they turn the screed board at 45 and they dip it. What it does, it lets them know that that one is ready. Okay, it's been screeded or graded, and that's how they mark it. Quick and easy. Starting to drizzle here. It doesn't look like it's going to be a heavy rain, but you just never know. But they're running the bump cutter on the main slab, and obviously we're still pouring this big carport. As long as it doesn't get any heavier than this, we're going to be fine. If it starts raining heavier, we'll cover it up with plastic. So at this point, it's not going to hurt anything because there's not enough rain to wash off the surface. So as long as we don't wash off the surface, we're fine. We're almost done. I think we're going to need about 4 more yards for a kicker. So we're not done pouring. We still have 1 more truck to pour, but according to my math, we're going to be about 2 yards short. So I ordered 2 extra just to make sure, because these trucks are coming from a good hour away, maybe not much, maybe 45 minutes away. So I want them to get the truck on the road while we dump this one. That way we only wait maybe 30 minutes or so. So it has cooled down quite a bit. It's down to about 60 degrees right now, and no rain. If you can see that way, Daniel, you can see the sky is clearing up. So that's a good sign. It looks like we're gonna miss all the rain, which is really good news. And like I said, now we're down to 60 degrees. It's gonna give us a little more time to work the slab. Perfect. It's working out just perfect.